How to add a contact form on Google Sites. So the first step is to simply go to Google Sites and then simply open any sites. Then the next step is to simply go to Google Forms, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply choose this template here, which is contact information. Then you're gonna get redirected to another page. We're gonna have to simply make some changes. So here, if you want, you can change the text here. You can basically change the colors and everything. And as you can see here, you have different options. As you can see here, the user is gonna have to enter their name, the email and address, and as you can see, these are required. So if you want, you can disable or enable these, and if you want, you can remove an option. And then after you play around and create your form, what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on the send button in the top right corner, and then simply click on the link here, and then you're gonna have to simply copy this link or simply go to Google Sites and then scroll down, and here on the right side you're gonna see forms. So simply click on this, and then you're gonna see here the contact information form. So simply click on it, then click on insert, and basically that's all you have to do. So as you can see, we have here our form, and here if you want you can resize it, and of course if you want you can also create a new page dedicated to the contact form. So simply click on your page and then simply type in contact form or page. Let me enter contact page and then click on done, and then here you can simply insert the contact information widget, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.